AI told me to move to Thailand to rebuild my life. This is day one of that experiment.
Wow, I listened to a robot. I truly listened to this thing. Welcome to Chiang Mai, Thailand. A couple months ago, I was trying to figure things out in my life and my business. I felt kind of stuck and I was overthinking things, so I started to learn how to use AI, got extremely good with it, and turned it into my own operating system. With that, I was able to make more informed decisions. I learned about Monte Carlo simulations, Bayesian forecasting, decision trees, and how each decision I was going to make, what the percentages or the probabilities were of things working out the way I wanted them to. It was AI's opinion to come to a place like this. There were other options, Valencia and also Lisbon. You don't just say, AI, where should I go live to rebuild my life? Because it doesn't know anything about you. All of these prompts out there really aren't helping you because it's just giving you really good generic information. But it's generic. It's not pertinent for you. The thing with using AI is it's trained on your information if you give it enough, but you also have free will and you also get to make those final decisions, which is the most important thing. This was one of the first decisions where I was like, yep, this is it. I knew it was the right direction. It was because of AI. It's because I had all of those simulations and probabilities, and I asked thousands and thousands of questions to really hone in on this. And that's another thing, thinking about using AI for different phases or planning stages, because so often we don't think that we're going to change in the future. It's called the end of history illusion. AI really helped me see that in 3 to 4 months, this would change because my business changed. And after training, my mindset might have changed, and it probably will, but we can't really predict these things that well, that far in advance. See, I think a lot of people go travel. They want to experience a culture, which is amazing. You know, you have the backpacking, you have travel for vacation, you have the digital nomad life. This is not that. This is going to a place, whether you really love it or not, that will help you improve your life. Using location as leverage is, at least for me, a new way of looking at things. And when I started working with AI, it became one of the things that I really wanted to focus on. How could I use location as leverage? Of course, not everybody can just move, but this is a way of looking at travel differently, I hope. And is it the right choice? When I got to Chiang Mai, I knew yesterday immediately. I was like, yes, absolutely. This is absolutely brilliant for what I want.
In Chiang Mai, specifically, there are places, if you get outside of the city, you can find absolute peace and tranquility. And that's exactly what I was looking for. For the first month, discipline. Reset my mind, rebuild everything, reset my schedule. Life is not going to be easy. It's going to be difficult at times. But look for those signs. The universe is showing you different little things. What's the other option of just kind of fighting every day and everything that you do all the time? That would be a horrible way to live. So follow along for more. Using AI to help me rebuild my life. Let's see if it works. So far, so good.
I just really can't wait to see what happens.